Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So today I thought I would show you what I'm having for lunch, and then as well as I'm gonna make a smoothie using my new Glow, this that I showed you guys in my last video, in a smoothie, and see how that tastes. So I'm gonna let you guys know and show you how I make that. But first I'm gonna make a salad. So, as you guys can see here, I have all my salad ingredients prepped here. So I'm just going to cut them all up and put them into this dish that I already put some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds in here. So it kind of looks like a lot, but once you put everything else in, it'll even itself out. Healthy salad. Let's try it out here. A little bit of chicken, a bit of lettuce. That's really good. This is really good for you if you have anxiety, even stress too. Like eating leafy greens is really, really good. And honestly, I need to add more into my diet. So that's what I'm trying to do, especially with this salad. I'm gonna make a smoothie to go along with this salad as well. And that's gonna have more in there. So let's actually get to that. Right, so now we're just gonna make this smoothie portion. So there's a few things that go into this smoothie that I like to put in. We're going to start with, actually, this is what we're gonna put in, along with some lettuce that I did chop up here just to make it easier for my blender. So let's put that in. Let's do that. And again, I just eyeballed all of this. Usually with smoothies, you kind of want to measure, so I do measure some things, but usually it's just eyeballing. Like my romaine lettuce here, I literally just used one of those, like, I don't know, I think there's like 5 in that bag that you get at Costco. So I just used one of those, took off the first leaves, the first layer of leaves, and then I just used the rest. So yeah, and don't forget to wash your fruits and vegetables if you put them in here. So this thing says blender free, but we're gonna blend it. Okay, I think I'm only going to use like 4 of these here, so we're just gonna break it in half here, possibly. You can tell it's my first time using this. It does say to like put in a bottle, but because it's blender free. So we're gonna use this as like our ice because it is already frozen. If this wasn't already frozen, then I would add ice. But since it is, we're just gonna plop it in. Let's see here. All right, there we go. So I only used half of it, and I'm gonna put the rest back in the freezer. A little bit of mangoes, just because like I read that one, what was in it, and there wasn't a lot of fruit in it. Honestly, I think most of it is actually vegetables, which is good. But let's add some sweetness because we all know how much I have a sweet tooth. So just a little bit, whatever you feel is good for you. want a big clump of it. Okay, and then I add some chia seeds. I kind of just sprinkle them in. Just a little bit. And then I also have camu powder. This is actually, from what I've heard, a lot better and stronger than actual like the vitamin C supplements that you take. Like this has a lot more in it, so it like will help you like if you're sick or to prevent being sick, so becoming sick. Yeah, we're just gonna do like half a teaspoon here. And then I have some hemp hearts here. Again, with these ones, I'm just gonna actually sprinkle them in. I'm not a big fan of these. Like, to me, they don't like taste phenomenal, but they are good for you. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them in just like I did the chia seed. I have some Brazil nuts. Now these I actually did read up on. Well, I read up on all of them. So these I saw as well, like I read up a little bit, and they actually help with anxiety. And they also don't taste that bad, so it's a plus there. But yeah, to help with anxiety, all you really need is like a small handful of them and you're good to go. So we're just gonna do that for our smoothie. We're just gonna grab a few. Like, my hands are smaller, so you might need more, who knows. But yeah, we're just gonna plop those in there. And then I have this. This is collagen peptides. Okay, this is also really good. Keeps your skin nice and pretty and elasticy. So I like to add just 1 scoop of this into my smoothie. There's just a scooper in here. I mean, it's not a full scoop that I added, but you can if you want. Just plop that puppy in there. Now we're on to Glow, and I'm really excited about this. So it says to put in either a 1/4 teaspoon or a half. I have a half here, so I'm gonna put in a half. And normally I would put in turmeric root and spirulina, but because this already has spirulina in it and turmeric root, I'm just not gonna put that in today. Okay, so we're gonna put in a little bit of ginger. I wouldn't overdo it, but just put in a little piece just so that it's not overwhelming. This does help, like if you're a little bit nauseated, or you know, because ginger calms your stomach, right? And then again, here's some more apple cider vinegar. I just apparently have different kinds of apple cider vinegar in my house, but I've heard good things about this one. So I'm just gonna put in, let's go with, let's just go with like a teaspoon. So I'm just these. Okay. It's always a good thing to have. And then I have these liquid chlorophyll drops. So normally I put these in my water. There's no taste to these, like at all. It just like literally turns your water green. But yeah, this actually helps with like hydration as well. So if you're very dehydrated, this is a really good thing to put in your water. I just got it off of Amazon, honestly. You can see here. But yeah, there's no taste, just literally turn your water green. So yeah, I'm just gonna put in a few drops, like you can see. It's pretty green, like it almost looks black on camera, but it's just dark green. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit of, it says usually for like water to put in about 11, I believe, drops, 11 to 15. So I'm just gonna put them in my smoothie. Next is this digestive enzyme. Now, you don't have to put this in there. I just do because I just feel like it helps. As you get older, I find just adding this to your smoothies or your food or whatever. Even you can just swallow the capsule, but I just put it in my smoothie. I don't know, it's just kind of something I do. But yeah, it's really good, and I find it actually really does help quite a bit. So I just kind of break open, this is the capsule, I just kind of break it open. I don't actually put the like capsule in here, I just break it open, put the powder in here, and voila. Okay, and then for like the liquid part of it, normally I would put in almond milk or oat milk. I just don't have any with me right now. So today I'm gonna actually put in just regular filtered water, like Brita water, and also some orange juice. Again, this is gonna probably help with my sweet tooth, but this is a lot better than like, you know, downing a chocolate bar or two, right? So I am going to grab my measuring cup, and I'm probably going to do probably half a cup of one of filtered water and one of orange juice. Here, pour that in. Pour that into my smoothie, and take some orange juice. Perfect. And pour that in there. Alrighty. Now let's see what it looks like. I know it kind of looks a little gross, but I swear it's really not. Alright. Put our straw in, a lid on. Alright, let's try it. Alright guys, so that's the smoothie. Let's try it out. It's really good. You definitely can taste like the hemp hearts and stuff like that, but it's not overkill. It just kind of tastes like it's not too sweet, but it's not like too earthy. It has like a bit of a nutty taste, so it kind of adds, like, it helps to, I don't know, for me it helps kind of like the craving of sugar. Don't know if that's true, but anyway, it's really good. If you want, try it at home. You can also like modify it to your needs or to what you like, to your taste buds, all that kind of thing. This is just kind of how I like to make my smoothies. I have I change it up a little bit from time to time. Sometimes I'll also add like almond butter, or there's also cashew butter, just that kind of thing. That also adds protein. Don't add too much of that though. I've done that before, and that's literally like all you can taste in the smoothie. So just be careful, just add a little bit. But yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe down below, as well as the notification bell, so that you never miss a new video. And I will see you in my next video. Remember, you are loved and appreciated. Bye.
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new.